Hello everyone. Here I am going to explain factorial notation. Let us understand the definition and the usage of this factorial notation. The multiplication of n positive integers that will be smaller than or equivalent to the n is known as factorial. It is represented by n factorial. This is the symbol, or this, either this one or this one. The formula for n factorial is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3, so on, 3 into 2 into 1. So what I did, if I want to write any number factorial, let us start with that number and decrease one by one till the last digit, 1. Okay. So the factorial is nothing but it is the product of multiplication of the equivalent number and the smaller than the given numbers, all the numbers smaller than the given number. Okay, all small numbers. So it is represented by this symbol, exclamatory symbol. After the number, we put exclamatory mark or this one. For example, if I want to find out 4 factorial. So let's write the 4 first. And less than the 4 means what? 3 times 2 times 1. So 1 is the first digit in the number system, right? So till the 1 we will write. So 4 3 is a 12, 12 2 is a 24. The answer is 24. What is the use of finding the factorials? These factorials will be getting used in algebra, permutations, combinations, and also some mathematical analysis. Coming to the real scenario example. For example, 3 persons went to the theater for watching a movie. So the number of ways in which 3 persons can be seated in a row. 3 persons went to the theater. 1, 2, 3 persons. Okay. How the way they can arrange their seating arrangement in a row is, first they can sit 1, 2, 3 like this. Let us fix 1 as it is. We can write it as a 3, 2. We can change these 2 members' seats. Okay. Now I'll fix 2 position here. 1, 3 I can sit. I can make them sit. 2 position is fixed already. 3, 1. Okay. Now let us fix the number 3, third person position. We can write 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 3 persons went to the theater, the number of ways in which these 3 persons can be seated is 6 ways. So this can be found by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2 is 6. So 6 ways. In the same way, 4 factorial is 24. The number of ways in which 4 persons can be seated in a row can be 24 ways. So for the smaller numbers, we can write the possibilities and check. For the big numbers, it's a difficult. So we may do mistakes we may do mistakes also. So this is the way of finding. Now, the important results in a factorial notation, let us say, important results. First one, 0 factorial is 1. Always the null factorial is 1. And also 1 factorial also 1. Okay. Next. What is the 2n factorial formula? 2 power n into n, 2 power n into n factorial into 1 into 3 into 5, so on, all odd numbers, 2n minus 1. This is 2n factorial. Next, factorials of negative integers and proper fractions are not defined. Proper fractions are not defined. So, factorials of negative integers, proper fractions are not defined. Why? Because see, for each and every number, we are writing the factorial until the last digit 1. Okay. Of course, 1 is the first number, right? So, for the negative integers, we may not know what is the least number, right? If for the positive integers, we know the least digit is 1. So, till the least digit, till the smallest digit, we will multiply the given number. But for the negative integers, we may know, we can't find the least digit. So, for factorials of negative integers and proper fractions are not defined. The general form of a factorial representation, formal representation is n factorial is equal to pi, k is equal to 1 to n, k. Okay. So, this is the formal representation. These are the important results for finding the factorials. Hope it is very precise and simplified. You can understand. Thank you.